Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. We're gonna have a very quick update for LDO. And before we're gonna start it, please make sure to read the disclaimer that I'm gonna post. Thank you. Hi and welcome back. So this is our previous chart for LDO. We have our update on this price right here. So that was a few months ago. As per our previous charting, which you can check on our playlist, we are having a $5.6 target as long as it will maintain a price above $3, or else a breakdown at these lines, that $5 target will be invalidated. As you can see, LDO have tested its support around August 2023. But for this week, since the Ethereum spot ETF suddenly have the green light for this week, it recovered really fast. Well, it's the forefront of liquid staking solutions on Ethereum. And since Ethereum is getting the spotlight for this week, LDO followed. I think we can just have the same major support, this box right here. This will be around a 0.618 at 1.5. And for major resistance to break for us to go to the upside, then it will just be the orange line. A price back above 2.5. Our target at 5.6 will be the price that I'm gonna look forward to. And since according to the news, we're gonna hear about the Ethereum ETF spot for today, then volatility is expected. So if you are trading on a leverage, have your own stop loss and be diligent on your own risk management. For now, I'm not doing anything at this range. It's either it can bounce back at the pink line before this support level right here, or it will break out at 2.5. Then I'm gonna look forward for 5.6. You may also comment what are your levels for LDO, and for other news that you might need to know, they will be posted on our community wall. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below if you have some coins for me to chart. Click the notification bell so you will be updated on new videos that I'm gonna upload. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.